What's up, guys? So I'm out here at FC Garage, super dirty. I've been putting in so much work over the last few days that I haven't even really taken too many videos of the engine coming out. Or actually, I think I took videos of the engine coming out, but not really going back in because I needed a hustle. So if you guys have any kind of mechanic needs or anything, check out FC Garage here in Fullerton, if that's where you're at. But let me show you all the work that I've been doing. So there we go, Project B5 S4 right there. I just installed the downpipes and everything. I ended up pulling the axles as well. They were torn, so we're gonna put those back in. Yeah, asada, por favor. Juan Senior over here, I'm gonna get us some lunch. But yeah, so there goes Project B5 S4. Got the new engine in, pretty much most things connected. Just kind of fastening things up here and there. So man, it's windy out here, so I've been laying on the ground every day. It's been a little bit of a mess and I'm uncomfortable and I'm all bruised up, but that's where we're at with everything. And I purchased this vehicle as a non-runner, had a blown engine, and swapped it all out, and yeah, had the valve covers done, powder coated, intake manifold powder coated, and this is pretty much where we're at. So I'm gonna get underneath the car, button up a couple other things, put the axles in, continue with the wiring harness. There's a few things here and there, put the front end back on, power this thing on, and see if she leaks or runs. But I'm pretty confident in everything, so as long as they sold me a good engine, this engine's gonna be good. Has a new timing belt, water pump, thermostat, all the good stuff. And I've pretty much done anything and everything that I could during this time to make it a reliable car. I didn't want to pull out that engine again, but now that I've done it, you know, I guess it's not that big of a deal to pull it out again now that I've done all the work and I know exactly where everything is and where to disconnect everything. So check this out. So these are the axles for the S4. So I just picked them up the other day. So I'm gonna throw these in and install them. So actually, let's cut them up, open that bag, and throw them in the car. Actually, can we carry both of them? They're pretty heavy. Oh, yeah. It's that a little Fiesta ST. I've actually sold one of these and it was a blast to drive, so no laughing at those people. All right. Oh shit. These are the axles that we got back. So these are a bit messy to install, but so this one's gonna go on the front passenger right side. Looked up the part number just to ensure we're putting it on the right side, and then this goes, so it connects to the side of the transmission over there. We see all that goop, then it comes clear across, connects right here into the center, and then that rotates the wheel because it's coming from the transmission, the side of the transmission. Oh shoot. Ooh. Oh, man. All right, guys, so we got a little bit of sad news, and the reason I'm saying that is, so that's the liquid moly, it's green, it's the oil, and we have a crack on the upper oil pan. So I haven't looked into it yet. I'm done for today. I'm a little defeated because I thought I was gonna button everything up today, and it didn't end up working out like that. So what's happening now is I'm probably gonna put a bucket to catch all the oil that's coming down, and then drop the subframe or pull the engine again, swap that oil pan, and start again. So that's where we're at. But the reality is that's just the way things work sometimes, and you know, nothing I could have done there. But it is what it is, and you can see it's a major leak for it to be dripping the way it is. So like I said, I'm a little defeated. Time to have a beer, and you know what? Yeah, it's cool. It's all good. It's not that serious. You know, maybe, yeah, I try to do the work as I can, so maybe like a week or something like that to get back in here and do all that kind of work. But it's all good. It is what it is. We'll get it all taken care of. We want to do things the right way, better now than as we're driving. So